Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to upload public audios to Roblox and is it possible? So the very first thing you should do here is go to create.roblox.com and then click this Roblox creator dashboard. Now what you're going to do here next is to look for creations, tap this one, and then after that you have to look for development items. Okay. So development items is next to avatar items. So click this one. After that, you have to wait for a couple of seconds and you will see these options right here. But what you're going to do is to look for audio. Now, here's the thing. Audio files cannot be made public at this time. If you want your audio or music to be public, then I would suggest that you create your account or group account. And then there you have to upload the music and audio that you want your members or your friends to listen. Because at this time, audio files can be made public. So you have to wait till this feature is available. So that's it. If you want to know more, then you can tap learn more to see information about uploading audio here in Roblox. So if you are verified, then you can import 100 free audio assets per 30 days. Okay, so you have to be 100% valid for this. Now click upload and then type a name for your music. Okay. And then once done, what you're going to do next is to click upload. Wait for a couple of minutes as it is processing. Then later you will see that below. Now, if you want a video to convert to MP3, you just have to go to MP4 to MP3 converter. And then once you have converted that MP3 or MP4 to MP3, then you can go back to Roblox and then upload it. Okay, as easy as that. I hope this video helped you. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.